What if I told you that your brain has cannibalistic tendencies and that it can manifest in several ways? Well, for this video, I will be explaining one: sleep deprivation or chronic sleep loss. You see, your brain is made up of billions of neurons and hundreds or trillions of synapses, which are basically the neural connections. Within this vast network of neurons are also billions of glial cells, which provide support for neurons in many ways. There are several types of glial cells, but let's focus on these two: astrocytes and microglia. Astrocytes, which are the most abundant glial cells, serve functions such as synaptic formation and destruction, maintenance of a stable chemical and metabolic environment by providing, reabsorbing, and regulating different chemical substances and metabolic processes. These substances include neurotransmitters, metabolites, and waste products. Microglia, on the other hand, are simply the brain's immune cells. They act as macrophages, engulfing and destroying pathogens and cellular debris. So now we know this. Where does sleep deprivation come in? You know how I mentioned that astrocytes are involved in clearing waste products? During chronic sleep loss, these waste products accumulate, leading to a toxic brain environment. Astrocytes, in a need to maintain the balance, begin to intensify synaptic pruning. The idea is that if more older or weaker synapses are cleared, there will be less waste and byproducts, and homeostasis can be achieved. This can serve as a short-term protective mechanism, but in the long run, it comes at a cost. That's because you are at risk of losing important synaptic connections, and that can start to affect your memory, your learning, your attention, and overall cognition. But astrocytes aren't the only ones triggered. Microglia cells are activated, which in turn triggers immune response and inflammation, and so your brain starts to eat itself. This mechanism I just described is implicated in several conditions like Alzheimer's, dementia, depression, chronic stress, malnutrition, and early life trauma. But this can be stopped. Thanks to neuroplasticity, the brain can be rewired given the right conditions. So drop that phone at 9 and make sure to maintain a minimum of 7 hours sleep a day. I hope you found this video interesting, and if you love to see more of this, like and subscribe.